Good morning, 7th standard. Welcome you all once again in History Civics period. Today, we are going to revise the lesson of civics, lesson number 1, Introduction to our Constitution. Okay. First of all, let us revise the lesson and then we will write question answers of this lesson. Extra question answers. Okay. Summary of this lesson. Introduction to our Constitution. What do you mean by constitution? Constitution यानी क्या? Constitution यानी राज्य घटना. Okay. A constitution is a statement of the basic principles and laws of nation, state, or group. Okay. It determines how laws are made and details the process by which the government rules. That means constitution. Now, let us see. Rules are necessary to ensure smooth conduct of the activities of our lives. We follow norms in family and rules in our village, city, or school. The administration of our country is carried out through a system of rules. Administration यानी राज्यकारभार, ठीक है? शासन प्रणाली. Constitution. Constitution is the book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of a country are mentioned together in a systematic way. Okay, once again see, Constitution is the book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of a country are mentioned together in a systematic way. Constitution is the fundamental law of the land. The representatives elected by the people are bound to carry out the administration of the country as per the provisions of the Constitution. Judiciary has been given power to declare the laws which do not observe the provisions of the Constitution as unconstitutional. Okay. Now, provisions in the Constitution. Provision यानी क्या? The Constitution contains provisions regarding the citizenship, the rights of the citizens, rights and adhikar, okay, and relations between the citizens and the state, powers, jurisdiction, and restrictions on the powers of the government, and elections, etc. The principle of governance, according to the provisions of the Constitution, is accepted by almost all countries. Each constitution is distinct in nature as it is created to suit its needs and objectives and due to the differences in history, social structure, and the cultural traditions. Okay, now necessity of the constitution. The necessity or the advantage of the constitutions are reduces the possibility of misuse of power and authority by the government. Then safeguards the rights and freedom of the people. Establishes the rule of law so there is no scope for misuse of power. Then increases the faith and participation of the people in their governance, which strengthen democracy. Sets the political ideals and creates an atmosphere conducive to attain world peace and security and prevention of human rights. Fixes the responsibility of the citizens. Now, administration. Administration is Rajyakarta. Governance or administration is the process of taking decisions regarding the issues before the country. Governance is undertaken by the government. The government has to make laws relating to defending boundaries, protection from external aggression. External aggression यानी परकीय आक्रमण. Then eradication of poverty को हटाना, गरीबी को हटाना. Creating employment, रोजगार उपलब्ध करवाना. Education, health, commerce यानी वाणिज्य, व्यापार. Industries means business. Protection of weaker section, progress of women, children, and tribal people, etc. Okay. Background of the Constitution. The process of making the Constitution of India started in 1946. Okay, याद रखना, the process of making the Constitution of India started in 1946. The leader of the freedom movement insisted on laws to be made by the Indians themselves. For this purpose, a committee known as the Constituent Assembly was set up. Okay, now Constituent Assembly. The representatives of the different provinces and the princely states were included in the Constituent Assembly. Representative यानी प्रतिनिधि, ठीक है. Different province यानी प्रदेश, प्रांत. प्रिंसली स्टेट्स यानी जो छोटे छोटे जो राज्य है ना, छोटे छोटे राज्य, वहां के जो राज्य है वो, दैट मीन्स प्रिंसली स्टेट. जैसे अयोध्या है, देन झांसी है, नागपुर है, ठीक है. The representatives of the different provinces and the princely states were included in the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly consisted of 299 members. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly, whereas Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Listen once again. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constituent Assembly, whereas Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Contribution of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb studied various constitutions of the world in depth. In depth means in detail. The draft constitution prepared by him was discussed article by article, and amendments were suggested by the members. Amendments यानी सुझाव. He answered the questions raised and suggestions given, making the constitution flawless. Flawless यानी उसमें एक भी गलती नहीं थी. Due to his contribution in making of the constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. Now, making and features of the constitution. The task of making constitution was completed in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The original constitution had 395 articles, which were divided into 22 parts and 8 schedules. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Sarojini Naidu, J.B. Kriplani, Rajkumari Amritkar, Durgabai Deshmukh, Hansaben Mehta were the prominent members of the Constituent Assembly. B.N. Rao, a noted legal expert, was the constitutional advisor on legal matter. The Constitution was enacted on 26 November 1949. The governance of the country, as per the provisions of the Constitution, started from 26 January 1950. 26 November is celebrated as the Constitution Day and 26 January as the Republic Day every year. Keep it in mind. Okay, 26 November is celebrated as Constitution Day. 26 November Constitution Day and 26 January Republic Day. Okay, and 15th August Independence Day. Here our summary of this lesson is over. Now extra question answers. First of all, we have to write extra fill in the blanks. Note down in your copy. The blanks. While making the laws, this is your homework. This is your homework. Tomorrow I will tell you the answers. Okay, this is your homework. Fill in the blanks. While making the laws. Dash is bound to follow the Constitution. India has a constitution. Number 3. The is the basic fundamental of the land. Number 4. The dash and clear a law as unconstitutional. 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 There were total dash members in the Constituent Assembly. Number 6. November is celebrated and 26th November is celebrated as the Motivation Day and 26th January it's celebrated as Day. Okay. 26th November is celebrated as the day and 26th January is celebrated as the day. ठीक है? Here our fill in the blanks are over. And now we have to write complete the graphical description. Next question is that complete the graphical description. Okay, but before the blackboard, let us see once again all fill in the blanks. Okay, while making the laws, the dash is bound to follow the constitution. India has a dash constitution. The dash is the basic law of the land. The dash can declare a law as constitutional. There were a total dash members in the Constituent Assembly, and 26th November is celebrated as the dash day, and 26th January is celebrated as dash day. Okay, clear? Now here our question is over. Let's pass on to next question, that is graphical description. Complete the graphical description. Complete the graphical description. Complete the graphical description. Okay. Number 1. Types of constitution. Types of constitution. Types of constitution. Written and unwritten. Number 2. Composition of the Constituent Assembly. Composition of Constituent Assembly. Representatives of provinces. Nominees of rulers of the 20 states. Nominees of rulers of the 20 states. Number 3. Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution. Date of enactment. 26 November 1949. And implemented from 26 January 1950. Number 4. Okay, so students, complete the graphical description. Types of constitution: written, unwritten constitution. Number 2, composition of the Constituent Assembly, representatives of provinces and nominees of rulers of the princely states. And Indian Constitution, date of enactment 26 November 1949 and implemented from 26 January 1950. Okay, fine. Here, our question of complete the graphical description is over, and tomorrow we will write extra question answers. Okay, here our question is over. Graphical description question is over, and tomorrow we will write extra question answers. Give reasons. Okay, and now period is also over. Bye bye.